Hey guys, Holly got back in another video, and today I'm doing a review on the Joyin Inc. animated eyeball doorbell. This isn't a Jimmy one, this is a knockoff. That's why it said Joyin Inc. The cardboard's kind of ripping. I got this from a thrift store today for $5. You can see there it is. I still got my gold one that's... If I can get the camera to look at. You see it on the wall right there. Yeah, that I still have that one. Now I have two doorbells. So yeah, it's just got gold on it too. The eyeball is green and that one's orange without the lines on it. This one has much more detail, but I think the other Jimmy eyes have that one on it too. I'll have the plastic back here, like, so I can take that on in the future. Spooky doorbell. Spectacular creations. It doesn't really even say anything about the doorbell. Oh yeah, that's a box. Yeah, I'll play it for you. Has all the sayings of the Jimmy one. Kinda glitches out sometimes. I don't know what that is. Okay, now. Gotta wait a bit sometime. I have skipped over for it, so I'm gonna go back to that one. Yeah, that one. It's also proved that it's not Jimmy. I won't be able to. Yeah, it does not say Jimmy Industries on the back compartment. It should. It should have like a giant G on it. And I thought this was pretty a cool find. Yeah. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye.